Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. For the love of football, the 2018 World Cup energy was at a fever pitch last Friday as television Jamaica TVJ kicked off its second launch of the Russian 2018 World Cup in Montego Bay. The Kingston launch was held recently. Sales and marketing manager for TVJ and cable services Natona Silva noted how momentous it is for TVJ to have exclusive rights to the coverage of the games.
You'll be able to see the matches on TVJ, all 64 matches in HD, live on TVJ or TVJSN. We will also be having over 40 matches live on Hits 92 FM. The matches will be streamed live on televisionjamaica.com as well as OneSpot Media.
She further shared that Flow will partner with TVJ to launch a 24-hour channel leading up to and throughout the 2018 FIFA World Cup.
We have entered into a partnership with Flow, and we've launched a 24-hour TVJ FIFA World Cup channel, channel 111 on Flow, and you'll be able to see all the matches whenever you wish to see them.
Brand manager for proud sponsors Coca-Cola, Amoy Philpotts Brown, shared that Coca-Cola will have exciting giveaways on their ongoing World Cup roadshow.
Coca-Cola is all about engendering excitement. We want to make sure that we bring happiness and special moments to persons. And the roadshow, we're giving away FIFA World Cup collectible items. And all persons have to do on spot is buy 3 Coca-Cola 355 and they grab and they win a FIFA World Cup collectible item on spot. So our collectible items, they range from drawstring bags, chip bowls, of course the hot topic, which is our football.
The first match of the 2018 World Cup gets underway this Thursday with the Russia versus Saudi Arabia match live right here on TVJ. Actress, playwright and director Delia Harris held her satirical comedy Case of the Ex over the weekend. The show was held at the JA Shopping Club Theatre, formerly known as Green Gables. The storyline is centered around a young reggae producer, DJ Cheetah, played by actor Kadeem Wilson, his girlfriend Diamond, actress Alexandra Gregory, and Cheetah's ex-girlfriend DJ Kyati, played by actress Delia Harris. Producer of the film, Delia Harris, shared why she decided to write a film that focuses on the relationship dynamic.
It's a story that resonates with many, young and old, as we have seen, church and non-church. I like to write things about situations, and something I say happen all the time. I say, would that be nice? We just write something and put it out on the stage and make people get to reflect on themselves.
Grammy Award winner Josh Stone was the headline act for the Hope in the Hills benefit concert held yesterday. Held on the main lawn of Strawberry Hills in St. Andrew, the event also showcased reggae singer Toots Hibbert. Her performance in Jamaica marks the 150th country Josh Stone has traveled to on her current Total World Tour. All proceeds from the Hope in the Hills benefit concert will be donated to Hope Institute of Jamaica, the only public cancer care and treatment facility in the island. Josh Stone also has plans to collaborate with the reggae songstress Janine. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.